Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Parking Solutions 101 series. And the parking system is the first and last point of encounter of almost any establishment. So if you own one looking to implement the parking solutions for your own, or would you like to design or select the proper technology to meet your requirements, this series of videos is for you. And my guest, as always, for this series is going to be Marwan Saddiq from Shaitan Bahman, Middle East. Okay, parking system is a complete system, which has all necessary data to possess and remain independent from third-party systems. But as a fact, is it always that a parking system remains isolated from others?
Definitely not, especially today where requirements are becoming more complex and the need for centralization data is becoming bigger. The parking system must no longer actually be in isolation. And as a matter of fact, we can identify two major environments where a parking system would or could work under. Environment number one, or sometimes we may even call it ecosystem number one, is the building itself. Because a building does contain several systems. Could be as easy as or as simple as the local area network where the parking system would be connected to. It could be something like fire alarm system, where the parking system would have to be interfaced so that, for instance, when there is a fire, then all barriers would have to open automatically. It could be an ERP system where financial data or reporting would have to be exported to. That is financial data for some consolidation of data amongst or alongside several other systems. It can be also as an access control system. It could be an EV charging system. And in a nutshell, any system, any third-party system to which a parking system would have to integrate or interface to exchange information and make the whole things as seamless as possible when it comes to providing a solution to the end customer, to the operator, or to the other business partners. That's environment number one, but we can also think of a bigger environment, for instance, the mobility providers, especially when we talk about mobility and transportation system as a whole. So you never know when a parking system could be, for instance, linked to a certain mobility provider. It could be also part of a park and ride setup where a driver will have to park and then have to use other means of transportation to complete the trip. It could be also as part of a bigger, let's say, transportation systems, and sometimes you call mobility as a service, which is currently the trend. And these two topics have to be assessed from the beginning, but it's fine because at the end of the day, even if this wasn't clear from the beginning, but the entities of the parking solutions you have selected would provide you the capability to adjust these topics whenever they are put on the table.
Amazing. Okay. And thank you very much, Marwan. For you, our viewers, again, challenge us with your questions and make it like paying attention for us to address it in our next videos. Thank you very much for tuning in and stay tuned for the next episode. See you. Bye.